Hi guys, it's your girl Logan the Empress here, and I'm going to do another lip tutorial using my candied lips. I love this product. It takes 2 minutes to get a nice full lip. The longer you hold it on, the fuller your lip is. And one thing I love that's great about this product is that if you pull it off in 2 minutes and you don't like your lips, guess what? Put it back on and you can do more. You don't have to go back to the doctor and be like, oh no, I want my lips bigger. No, you could do it and it is only a one-time price and you don't have to pay like additional money. So I am using my crayon case lip liner in coffee. And now this is the crayon case liquid lip in Marie. And all I'm just doing after I use my lip liner is, coloring within the lines. You learned this skill in elementary school, my dear. Elementary school. And whoever thought that it would be coming in handy when you're an adult? I did not, to be honest. So the next thing I have is the shade Baby's All Right. I don't even know if they make this anymore. It's a soft nude pink. I got it from MAC. I'm not sure if they make it anymore. But as you can see, it's a softer pink than the Marie. And that's how I like to do my lips. I like to go dark, lighter, lighter. Now, this is Lorac Duchess, and it is my go-to lip gloss. I've had this for years, and I just am continuously obsessed with this lip gloss. I mean, look how much better my lips look after I finish applying this gloss. I mean, yes. And I am done. I hope you all enjoyed this little quick lip tutorial. Your girl Logan the Empress here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the year, and help me get to that, guys. All right. See you guys next time for the next tutorial. You better call Becky with the good hair. You better call Becky with the good hair. You better call Becky with the good hair. Becky.